The X10 comes from down there. That's the way to symbol of that. Go down there goes. So if I ain't the colour of that Fiona Bruce jacket, that gun key, whatever it is, then it's normally brown, right? It's normally and your left. I don't know how they busted differently the dress or whatever, like this. I don't know what to do with that, mate. Coming down. I don't know why you never some spiky yeast or grapes before taking a walk. Made of what we can all see. The approach to obviously explaining to them a few times this ain't doable for whatever reason. They have their own standards, of which maybe to do the actual job is an absurdity anyway. Oh, they did do it, or tried to down the other bit, right? It was all a bit rubbish, but you know, they did actually chuck stuff down, so I'm surprised that they're in here. If it's on like a calendar thing. So it don't take much, they won't fix this for this sort of reason, right? Bikers, whatever, ECC people, they get to go on this. But obviously the pavement and the rest of it has lights in it, so this would mean that it's obviously more lasting anyway, all of this and so forth. And so on and so on. Right. Sounds good though. Yeah. This one. Bonkers, mate.